What's up? This is Clever Ninja with a how-to thing. If you're wanting to get, like, say, an old hard drive off of here, yet this one completely works well, yet you have a lot of information on your old one that you still want to keep, you can get one of these, which is the dual hard drive docking station by Insignia. There's a few other brands. But anyway, what technically happens is you take the hard drive out of here, and then as you can see by this picture, you just kind of slide it in like it's some sort of bread maker thing. You just slide it in the slot, but instead of making bread which burns, you'll just do that and then use a little thing on the side here and then plug it into right here. Now the tools you'll be using, 00 Phillips. You'll also want to have a USB-C because you have the latest one with the little touchscreen thing on by the keyboard, like with that. And then the third and final tool is a Torx screwdriver. I got this off Amazon, which I'll have this, and this, including this, down below. Opening this, using this. Use this to get the hard drive off with the last two screws. Now that you have your screws and have them roughly like that, you just gotta pop this puppy off. And just set it somewhere. You might have some dust right here. It's right here. So don't worry about this thing right here and this thing. You're worrying right here. So you're gonna use the Phillips screwdriver right on these two and then pull this up. And then the two that you're gonna use the torque on are right under here. After you pull up, we'll do that and then we'll be done with taking this thing out. Okay, there we go. So now put this piece right here. Now all you have to do is carefully pick this thing up. This wire, the Sonata cord, you gotta carefully just get that off of that. Okay. And there's that. So yeah, you get both sides. That cam didn't work, so I had to unscrew those four using the T6. As you can see right here, they're now off. Okay, so you have this guy. Time to do a quick unboxing of it. Super easy so far. I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, you don't even have to use that right there, you just have that. The USB thing to the thing that goes right here. The power block with its little plug-in for this. And then just this. And the usual stuff that comes with that. Once you get it out, you should literally have this box, which is super light, like for an Insignia one. Like, it's like less than a pound, or at least a pound. It's light. Same goes with its power cord and the adapter thing that hooks that. So now after you have plugged the power cord into right here and then put the air cord right here, you just have that. On switch button is right here, so just flip that. The power button right here, a little fuzzy I know. So that's his power. That's his disc 1, disc 2. As you can see, disc 1's right here, disc 2's right here. All you really have to do is just put, you see where you have these things right here? We'll use this one as a sample. You see these things? they're facing that way. So you want to have this thing roughly, like I said, a toaster as it sits in there. Put this in, that's not going to turn on until you plug it in right here, and it does that little thing. Now once you plugged in, it's going to say, do you want to use this to back up Time Machine? I'll just say decide later. You can just go right here, and you have all from the past all right here. Pretty much it.